Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and I really hope that you all are doing good. So I am super excited to share this video with you all. Now here you can see a small package with me, but this is just a glimpse of a small package. So what I got actually was a big carton. Now from where I got this? Now very recently I was connected by Priya from Priya Passion Park, and they are based out of Indore. And yes, she connected with me and she wanted to give me a review on few of your her MDF projects. And yes, they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not saying this because they have sent me, I'm saying this because I absolutely love their designs. So what I actually got was a huge pack of MDF cuttings and cutouts and home decor pieces, but it was impossible for me to unpack everything in front of camera. So what I had done is I have taken out all the pieces and I just left one thing. Why I left this in a packet as it is, because I wanted to show you that how beautifully and how with so much of love and care each package was packed. So yes, this is one of the package which I wanted to show you that how their packaging is. Of course, I'm going to show you the remaining products also. So let me just remove this and please bear with the sound of this one. So literally it took me around 30 minutes to unpack everything. So there was so much of packaging and very nice and neat work. Okay, now this was the wrap, which makes sure that it's sealed and very nicely packed. Then there is a bubble wrap, and yay, tada! What I have here is a base. So this is what they have sent me, is a mini table for resin artwork. So this has the legs, the bases to work on. So yes, this is really nice. Just imagine how interesting it would be to make a table of your own for your home decor piece. So this one is for particularly is for the resin art, and I absolutely loved this one. So yes, this is one of the tables what they have sent me. Let me keep this aside. Now the next one of the very cutest thing what they have sent me is this one. Can you believe I'm a complete sleepers person, so I absolutely loved it. Now what are these? These are the sleeper tower hangers. Now they have everything with this, the knob, the hanging latch at the back, and of course they have this cute sleeper cutout to be added to it. The best part what I really liked about their product is that they give all the mini things separately, so that while coloring and while working on your project, first thing is it becomes much more easier to color. And in case if I don't want it, I can just chuck it, and if I want it, I can use it. It's completely up to me. And yes, it definitely this comes with a knob, and I loved it. This is super cute, super cute. Okay, now the next thing which I want to show you is a beautiful mason jar hanging. Now this can be used as your decor piece, as your nameplate, as your wall art. So there are multiple ways in which you can work with this. So again, this comes with a back hook. This is what I really liked about the Priya's work, is because many a times we get the projects but we don't get the hooks, we don't get anything for hanging, which becomes a little disappointing for me, because then I have to go out and buy the hangings and get it fixed. So it's a task which we don't have to face here. So yeah, I loved this one, the mason jar hangings what we have. Okay, now I'll just keep this aside. Let me keep this here. Then one of very cute hangings what they have sent me is this bird hanging. Now beautiful. It has a set of 3 pieces. So the top one has a bird, then they have this 3 effect wings which you can attach separately, then 2 more bases beneath that for making your nameplates, for your quotations, for your texture work and your varieties of work. So just imagine playing around with different shades on these and they are going to look fab. Next one. I had already warned you that this video is going to be with loads of cutouts. Okay, now here they have a beautiful chalkboard. Now this is a chalkboard with a hard cutout, which is absolutely cute. And I'm just trying to explore like what all I can do with these things. Like my hands are already itching to work on these ones. Now this is such a cute shape with a hard cutout, and let me show it to you like this. So this is really big. These are not the very small ones, and the price range what they have is absolutely affordable, and with the packaging and the courier charges, it's very reasonable. Let me keep this piece also aside. Then I have not opened this plastic packaging. So this is actually a table of size. Let me just check and tell you. So this is approximately 15 inches radius table, which is very big and very heavy for your mixed media and decoupage work. Then one of the very interesting thing which I really liked was this frame. So yeah, I'm so sorry, they are so huge, they are so big that I'm not even able to fit it in my camera screen. And I think that's the best part which I really like, because usually we get the very small pieces where you hardly have any space to work on. So this is also one of the very good things what I liked about them, that whatever the pieces they give, they are not very small, very tiny, that you don't even know that what all work you want to do. So this one is really interesting. Yeah, so in this they have these 4 pieces to work on. Then they have this notch, and of course you can make this as your nameplate, your wall decor, your frames, your hangings, and like options are limitless. Like you can try out anything and everything on these. Now next what I got from them was again a very cute, it's a little birdie book box. Now this is a quite big book box which is just perfect for the upcoming festivals. Like you can use these as your hamper boxes, you can use these as your goodie boxes, you can use these for storing your daily usages, and the options on the varieties of work what you can do on these are like endless. So yes, this one also has these beautiful cuttings. So this is actually the little birdie book box, and yeah, this is how it is going to be. And the best part, like I said, you can just play around with it, whether you want it like this, whether you want it with just the bird or with the ring. So you can just play around with this, and I'm sure you will love this. Now at last but not the least, she was so generous to send me some of the other options which I absolutely love. They are super cute. Now this is a very cute cake piece. Then this is a super cute fridge magnet piece. Like this can be decorated as a baby shower gift, for welcome baby gift. So these are going to be just perfect. The mason jars are absolutely gorgeous. Then this teacup pieces, either you can use these as your coasters, you can even use these as your magnets, and they are going to look fab. And the most cutest piece was this one, the tiny mini chopping board, which I really loved. And definitely when I'm sharing these works, you are going to see so many videos on our YouTube channel with these products. Then she was even so generous to send me some of the very beautiful cuttings like this one, which has endless options to work on. So yeah, let me club everything and show you what all she has sent me. And my table is already full. I don't have much of space to work on right now, and yeah, this is it. And now I'm thinking how and when I am going to work. So yes, this also calls for a live session with their supplies, definitely. So yes, we will be sharing all the supplies and the links in the video description box. Do check that. And yes, we are coming up with a live session on our page. Do join us. The live session details are mentioned below in the description box. Do join us. Yes, we are having a little giveaway with this one. Also, so do not forget to check our channel, subscribe our channel, and yes, do check out Priya Passion Park on Facebook. Of course, I'm sharing all the links down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.